Buyers often seek seller concessions to alleviate some of the financial burden associated with purchasing a property. These concessions essentially involve the seller agreeing to cover certain closing costs or expenses on behalf of the buyer. Here's why buyers find seller concessions beneficial. Reduced upfront costs. Seller concessions can help buyers by reducing the amount of money they need to bring to the closing table. This can make homeownership more attainable for buyers who may be struggling to cover all the associated costs of purchasing a property. Improved affordability. By having the seller cover some of the closing costs or prepaid expenses, buyers may find the overall transaction more affordable. This can be particularly helpful for first-time buyers or those with limited funds available for a down payment and closing costs. Negotiating power. Requesting seller concessions can provide buyers with negotiating leverage during the purchase process. Sellers may be more willing to agree to concessions in a competitive market or when they're motivated to close the deal quickly. Flexibility. Seller concessions offer buyers flexibility in managing their finances. By having the seller cover certain expenses, buyers can allocate their funds towards other priorities, such as renovations, furniture, or savings. In essence, seller concessions serve as a means to facilitate the home buying process by easing the financial burden on buyers and making homeownership more accessible. Give us a call today at 602-888-7073.